guys hear that? Okay. Hey everyone, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Mara. Welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So in today's video, as you guys can see, my hair is blown out, and of course, when the hair is blown out, we about to do something a little different, okay? Now, again, if you are new here, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button because we like to grow hair here on this channel. We like to grow long, natural, healthy hair. If you are relaxed, you are welcome as well, but we natural on this side, so definitely make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like it, and let's just get right into this video. Now, first things first, before we officially get into this video, y'all can see that we have a box behind me. Y'all know that one, we got a box, we got a new tool. I am so into technology. I love how everything is becoming more advanced and innovating and everything like that. So we got a new tool to try, and this is by the brand Tymo. If you guys do not know, I have reviews from the brand Tymo on my channel for their straightening comb as well as their hair dryers. If you did not see that, definitely go ahead and check it out. I literally left my flat iron for their straightening comb. I no longer use my flat iron, okay? So when I say their products are good, their products are good. But let's get into this unbox. So for today's style, we're going to be using the Tymo Airflow, and it is a 2-in-1 hair curler and straightener. Now, one thing I can say about Tymo's packaging is that their packaging never fail to amaze me. Like, it's very good quality packaging. I know it's only packaging, but if you got good packaging on your product, you know you got a good product. On top of the box, you're going to see that we have some of the benefits that this Airflow contributes to. I'm not sure if you guys can see it because of the glare. It's silver and it's white. Now on the back, we have even more benefits. We got 3 more. We got the AirFlex technology, which I'm really excited about. I heard about it, but I'm excited to use it. We have the better anti-scald, so the temperature on the back of the plates is reduced by 72%, so you do not burn yourself. That is important, especially with any flat iron, curler, whatever. You don't want to burn yourself because it's not cute, okay? And then we have the least damage, so lower temperature styling makes significantly least damage than normal styling. Inside of the box, this is what it looks like. So we have the curler straightener right here, we have some pamphlets, and we got a little thing right here. So I'm assuming that it might be for the extra tools because they always giving you extra. Yeah, we're gonna get into it. So we have the pamphlet, and it pretty much just gives you the instructions. If you need to read the instructions, definitely go ahead and do it. We're gonna get a little bit further into this box and set these aside for now. We might gotta go back to it. So inside of the box, you have a little cloth here, and it feels like velvet. So this is to store your curler straightener inside, protect it from dust and everything else, just so that way everything can be together. You got that trusty dusty glove, so that way you do not burn your fingers, but this is what it looks like. We also have 2 clips here. They give you 2 because obviously you got 2 sides to your head, but these feel really sturdy, so we're going to be using those today as well. This is all right. So with the 2-in-1 straightening curler, we obviously have our flat iron plates right here because, like I said, you can straighten your hair as well. So you got the flat iron plates. These are ceramic plates, and then there's little holes on top of the straightening curler. Now that is for the airflow, which we're going to see in a minute. This is what I'm excited for. And then obviously, like I said, and then like always, we got our little button indicators to let you know which temperature you're going to. The very bottom light indicator is obviously the lowest temperature setting, and then the 5th one is obviously for the highest. We're going to figure out which heat setting we need. Hopefully we can stay around the 300 and something range. We obviously got the on off button here. This also controls the temperature as well, and then we have a cooling fan But so we're gonna go ahead and get this plugged up, and then we're gonna get into it. All right, so when you power it on, it's automatically going to adjust the temperature setting to 360 degrees. Let's just see what the heat settings are. Now 140 degrees Celsius or 280 degrees Fahrenheit for soft and thin hair. We obviously do not have that, so let's go a little bit higher. We have 360 degrees, which is level number 3. That is dyed or dark colored hair. And then we have 390 degrees Fahrenheit normal or slightly curly hair, or 430 degrees Fahrenheit is thick, curly, and wavy. So we're gonna start off at level 4 and see how that does us. Hopefully we don't have to go much higher than that. All right, so like always, we use the OGs for this straightening curling process. We got the Silk Infusion and we got the heat protectant. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that my hair, there's no tangles at the end, just that way it doesn't get snagged on anything. And then we're gonna make an even smaller section like always, because why not? All right, so we have the heat setting on the 4th heat setting. As you guys can see, it is on the 4th heat setting. And then we're gonna press this little button right here. You guys hear that? Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm nervous. Okay. Okay, the roots is pretty good. Alright, so this is the first little section, as you guys can see here. And I only went through the ends once. It looks exactly how I straighten my hair with their straightening comb, which is great because I actually love how my hair comes out like that. I think we're gonna go ahead and straighten first, and then we're gonna come back and do a little bit bigger sections for the curl. I think that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so we back. Our hair is straight, our hair is fleeked. You know how we like, we got some movement in there. I trimmed my ends the last time I straightened my hair before I washed it and went back curly, so I do have a pretty fresh blunt cut. I did cut about an inch or 2 off. It's still long, but I had to trim it. So now that we have the base, we got the straight base, we're gonna go ahead and curl our hair. I'm not gonna add any more Silk Infusion because I don't want to weigh my hair down and make it too greasy, but I'm gonna choose sections or do sections in about this big because I don't want to do them too small. I don't want that many tight curls throughout my hair, but let's get into it. So when you curl your hair, you just want to make sure that you go outwards, if that makes sense. But we're gonna go ahead and turn that fan on, get that cool air blowing out, and then let's get into it. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn, and then we're just gonna slide down. Did I do it? Did I do it? Ah, that's so cute! Look at that! Alright, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I just rolled it into a little roll just so that way I can finish the rest of my curls, but I don't want that to fall in the meantime. Okay, so we are back. Our hair is curled. We're gonna go ahead and take the 2 clips out because I tried to make everything fit on the 2 clips. So we're just gonna go ahead. Look at it. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that curled into like one big old curl because I put everything together. That's fine. It's cute. It's whatever. And then we're gonna go ahead and kind of get those curls separated and what. Yo! Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is our hair. The pins is out. We still nice and flowy and silky. I honestly thought that was going to be a struggle because I don't normally curl my hair with a curler. Y'all seen I do my wand curl, but that was not a struggle except for when I first initially started trying to figure out which way to curl it. That was kind of like the little confusing part. Y'all see me get stuck a little bit, but once we had it, we was on and flipping and twisting and doing everything. So this is my hair. It literally is just so cute. I love it. All right, so everybody, I hope that you guys like this video. Like I said, once you find like the perfect product and the perfect tool, you have like the perfect hairstyle. The curls aren't too tight, they're not too loose, they're not too big. It's just like the perfect size for my hair length, for my head shape. It's just like 10 out of 10 recommend, guys. If you guys want to try this product, I will link everything down below for you. I will have a promotional code for you as well. And guys, if you do go ahead and get the airflow and you straighten or curl your hair, definitely tag me in some pictures. Follow my Instagram, tag me in Instagram so I can see your curls. I want to see it all because like I said, I'm obsessed. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Tymo, thank you so much for partnering with me once again. Definitely be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, make sure you share, follow my Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.